Welcome to Tech with Adamir. In this video, we're going to take a look into date and time data types in PySpark. So here are a few of them, and one of them is the date type, and that represents a calendar date, year, month, day without a time. Then we have a timestamp type that represents a specific point in time. That means you can have date plus time and optional time zone with it. Then we have a year, month interval type that represents a time interval measured in a year and a month. Then we finally have a daytime interval type that represent a time interval measured in days, hours, minutes, and seconds. So here is my sample data, and I'm creating one row with this data, and you can see that I have this sample data. This is for the date, and this is for a timestamp, and this is for a year month interval, and then this one is for our day time interval type. So I'm creating all these different values here, and this is my sample data. Then here we are creating the columns, so date string, time string, and then year date interval, daytime interval, and then we are going to go ahead and create our data frame. So we are saying data frame df equal to spark create data frame, use this sample data and use this column for the our data frame, and then we are printing the schema for that data frame. So we are going to go ahead and execute this. I'm going to show you guys. So once we execute, we are going to see different values here. So here is the schema for our data frame df. So you can see that date underscore string is a string, and then time underscore is also string, and this is also string and also string. So all of them are string, as I have used this sample data and used the values with the double quotes around, and didn't really convert to the actual data types. So here I'm going to go ahead and convert these values to the specific data types, to date, to timestamp, and then we use expressions here to convert to the our as year, day, year to date, year to month, and then day to the seconds all the way. So we will say converted data frame equal to df data frame select. So we are selecting all those column here to date, and then say date string, that's our column here that we created in data frame, alias as a date. Then for the time we are converted in this, and then aliasing them as a timestamp, and then we have expression interval 1 to 2, year to date, and then we alias that as a year to month interval, and then for the other one we have this value that we are converting to the as a day time interval. So we execute this one, and what's going to happen, so we can see that this was our original when we created everything with the string, and then we have this data frame printing right now, and after we convert it, so you can see the date, timestamp, and then we have interval 1 to 2 years, and that's as a year to month, and then we have a day to seconds. So how we will read this? So this is 1 year 2 months, and this is 3 days 12 hours 15 minutes and 32 seconds. So that's how you will write when you are gonna see day to second. So you will put the day first, then you will put the hours, then you put minutes, and then you will put the seconds. And here when you say day to month, then you are going to put the year first here, and then have this month here. So now if you check the schema here, we can see that we have as date, so that's a date, then we have as a timestamp, so that's a timestamp, and then as a year month interval, that's our interval year to month, and then we have as date time interval, that's interval day to second. So these are different data types related to the date and time that you will use in PySpark. I thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.